Hello guys, good morning. What's up, what's up? Darsky here. Siya nga pala, na-report yung YouTube channel ko. Hope I need you guys help. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully I could have at least 50 subscribers so that I could use the live platform of YouTube. So please share and support me. Please share, like, and subscribe. All right. Hopefully you guys like my content for today, for this morning. All right. See you in a bit. Hello guys. What's up? What's up? Gardarsky here. Good morning. Time check. It's 4:30 a.m. and just have my lunch break on my work. Started at 12 midnight and quick reaction lang sa topic ko for today is about the Mr. MG Makagago and Mr. FLM saga. I've been watching for their fight for about almost 2 months, I think, since nag-start na si Mr. MG, also known as Makagago, sa pagtira kay Mr. FLM. It was very entertaining. I found that it was very entertaining, and habang nasa work ako, I keep watching yung bangayan nila. But for this series, my sympathy, and I believe na sa side ako ni Mr. Makagago. Knowing I don't have any knowledge or what do you call this, personal knowledge to Mr. FLM, but I keep watching his video and it was like BS for me, since I am based here in US. I heard marami siyang I heard allegedly marami siyang naloloko na mga tao, but I don't know. But watching the videos of Mr. MG, I think it's very legit to say yung mga sinasabi ni Mr. MG. Anyways guys, please watch the videos and the series of so-called bangayan nilang dalawa. I called it like Mr. FLM and Mr. MG saga. So keep watching them, and then para malaman nyo kung ano itong sinasabi ko. Next time I will update, or I will post a video of short video clips regarding sa mga pinagsimulan ng gulo nila. Okay? Hope you guys keep watching my videos, and please subscribe and like my videos. Okay? See you soon. Later. Peace out.